I found this old Jack-in-the-Box, and there was a genie inside, and he granted me 3 wishes, so I wished for this big, big bone, and when I got it...
It broke Farmer Al's barn roof.
That's a new one, but we'll take care of it. No wish is too big, no pup is too small. Rubble, use your crane to lift that bone off the roof.
I'm on it.
Hi, you must be Jeremy.
Who is this all-knowing and very powerful genie?
This is Ryder. He leads the PAW Patrol.
Nice to meet you, Ryder the Genie. I can't get a grip on this. I know what you need. This bone's so big, it's a scandal. We need to lift it with a candle? No? Okay, how about this? This bone's so big, it's a scandal. We need to lift it with a sandal? Okay, one more. We need to lift it with a candle! Yes, that's perfect. Thanks, Jeremy the Genie.
Okay, Sky, you can fly Rocky and his supplies up now.
You got it, Ryder.
Oh!
Hammer.
Okay, now I've seen everything.
Yummy. Can we take it home now?
You bet. Ready, Sky?
Ready, Ryder.
Gosh, everyone, thanks so much.
It's okay. Whenever you're in trouble, just wish for help.
Rusty's plant predicament. It's a perfect day for a picnic. And our food smells delicious. Let's dig in.
Yeah. What's that smell? Did someone invite a skunk?
I think it's coming from over there. Let's find out what's ruining our picnic.
Hey, you!
I think the smell is coming from that. But what is that?
Oh, boy, just what I thought. The nose knows.
You know what that is, Ranger Anna?
I'll say it's a yuckweed, the stinkiest plant ever. Only they don't usually grow around here. A seed must have blown in from far away. We have to be careful because yuckweeds grow fast. Really, really fast.
And stink.
Bingo. Really stinky weeds.
So let's figure out how to get rid of it.
Wait, see those round spotted things? Those are yuckweed seeds. And there are 2 things you need to know. Listen carefully. Rule number 1, don't blow them around. If the seeds spread, more yuckweeds will grow and the smell will be everywhere. Rule number 2, never ever let them touch water. They'll grow twice as fast.
No blowing, no water. Got it. Right, Rusty?
Oh, right. I'm on it.
What you doing there, Rusty?
Blowing away the smell with my solar-powered super fan 5000.
Solar-powered super... No!
See? Odor problem solved.
Yeah, but now we have a bigger problem. That was rule number 1. We're not supposed to blow them around.
I didn't hear that. I was too busy trying to help.
We've got to stop them before they land and grow into yuckweeds.
Freeze, seeds!
They're too fast.
I can't reach them either.
There must be a way to get those seeds. Maybe if I build a drone with a rocket-powered seed picker attachment...
No, Bonosaur, get away! Yuck! Wait, I mean, yay!
How is this yay?
Because, look at Bonosaur. He thinks the seeds are delicious. He can eat them.
But how do we figure out where they all went?
We'll get some bits on the fix. Whirly, we need you. Search around for big flying stinky seeds. Thunder! lunch in the forest, which is super muddy from last night's rainstorm. Great job, Whirly. Want some more stinky snacks, big guy?
Wait, you want to take Botasaur? He wasn't designed to go off-road that fast.
You're right. He's too heavy, and mud and sand will slow him down. We've got to move fast before the seeds spread the smell all over the place.
But what can we do?
We can soup up Botasaur to be an all-terrain, super-fast dinosaur.
Great idea, Rusty. Let's combine it
And design it. We'll start with Botasaur.
Then add some giant tires. That way, Botasaur can go off-road and handle sand and mud.
And finally, we'll add some rocket boosters, so he can go fast, too. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The deluxe all-terrain Botasaur. I think he likes it.
To the forest! Riding a giant all-terrain dinosaur is awesome! Woohoo!
The seeds are so stinky, people are running away. Keep on chomping, Botasaur. Okay, according to Whirly's video, the last bunch of seeds should be right in front of us.
In front and up. Way up.
If we don't get those seeds, they'll blow away, and yuck weeds will sprout up everywhere. We'll have to start all over.
We'll never reach those. That is one tall tree.
We can reach them. Hold on.
Good try, Botasaur, but they're just too high.
We could use those tree branches as a ramp.
According to my calculations, even jumping off of those won't get Botasaur high enough.
Not just jumping off, jumping, bouncing, and revving, like a monster truck.
Jumping, bouncing, revving. I love this day! Let's do it! Woo! That was awesome! And all the seeds are gone. Great job, you three.
Now we can finally have our picnic. I'm starving.
Ruby, I think I can still smell them.
But I thought we got them all.
Look! Over there! They're headed towards the pond. We've got to stop them. Remember the second rule? If the seeds hit the water, they'll grow 3 times as fast.
Let's go!
Burn rubber, Botasaur.
Whew, we're safe. No seeds anywhere. They must not have landed in the water.
It's ninja fish. What What's wrong, my fine fin friend?
I think he's telling us to look into the water. The seeds did get into the water. And now they're growing even faster.
Poor ninja fish.
This stinks.
It really stinks.
It's all my fault. There must be a way to fix this and get all the yuckweeds out of the water. Oh, I know! Ninja fish, can you push all the yuckweeds up out of the water?
Oh no, that's way too many for one fish. Do you have any friends who can help?
Awesome! And after you push them up, Botasaur can eat them.
How? Botasaur can't go on water.
Oh, yes, he can. Watch this. All-terrain Botasaur can also float. Cool! Ninja fish, you push the yuckweeds up, and Botasaur will gulp them down. Stinky snack time! Accomplished.
They think you did a whale of a job.
And the fish did a good job, too.
Thanks for inviting me to your picnic. Everything smells so good.
There's plenty for everyone. Hey, Botasaur, want a snack?
Nope, he's gonna be full for a while. How the ball bounces.
Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to, for the very first time, Flicker. You're picking up beach balls from Port Station and delivering them to Beach Station. Whee! Looks like Diesel wants to come along for the ride.
Best day ever!
And now you're really ready to
Make tracks!
One back to beach ball. Coming up.
Wait a minute. I know what would make this the best delivery ever. Not just any beach balls, but super big beach balls! Bigger, bigger, Hey, look! There's a giant beach ball rolling down the hill. Wait! That's my giant beach ball!
Don't worry, Flicker. We're on the way.
I've got it! Done and delivered!
Welcome all to the highest and longest tightrope walk ever. Francois puts the adventure in Adventure Bay.
Awesome!
Wait a second. There's a storm coming. Rubble, I need you to bring your crane to lift Francois. We need to get him down, fast.
Rebel on the double.
Those storm clouds are stupendously scary. You should get down.
Don't be silly! I must continue! I laugh at the rain! Ha! Yes, I am officially worried now.
You're just in time. Park under Francois and raise the crane.
I'm there, Ryder! Oh, crane!
That is an excellent idea!
Almost got ya!
Can you be closer than almost?
Gotcha!
Yay! Nice grab, Rubble.
Thanks, Ryder. You and the pups really saved the day.
Whenever there's a problem, just yelp for help.
Feast your eyes on this. C'est magnifique, non? I mean...
Phew. I'm sure glad I was here, dude.
What a good pup. They're all good pups.
Rusty's Beach Day delay. All right, everyone, let's get ready for Beach Day!
First things first, we all have to put on sunscreen.
Oh, I can take care of that with my new sunscreen blaster SPF 3000. Sorry about that, Jack.
I think we'd better lower the power a little.
Good call, Ruby. And the Bits and I will gather all of our beach gear. We need sunglasses and a surfboard and a beach umbrella. A beach umbrella. And pails, towels, flip-flops, life preservers, a radio, beach chairs, and beach balls.
Whoa, that's a lot of stuff to take to the beach.
Oh, what if we combine everything into just one device?
Ultimate Beach Day gadget.
Exactly. We just need something big enough to carry it all. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Let's combine it.
And design it. We'll start with the pile of beach supplies.
Then we'll add Botasaur. He's big enough to carry it all.
And finally, we'll add the sunscreen blaster. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Beach Fun Botasaur 4000.
Yeah!
He's got a surfboard tail, a retractable beach umbrella hat, a waterproof tummy trunk,
And a beach ball cannon.
to the beach. Botasaur,
Are you all right?
he's all right. The umbrella isn't, though. But like I always say, there's nothing broken that can't be fixed.
Want some help?
Nope, you guys head to the beach. We'll be right there. There, good as new. You're ready to hit the beach. Come on!
Rusty, stop! It's an emergency! I need your help! Ralph's been captured! By an army of aliens!
Are you sure?
Pretty please, Rusty. I can't save my friend without your help.
All right, let's go save Ralph.
We are Blue-Garian warriors! You will never defeat us! Nar, nar!
Oh, yes, we will, with our super cool, sleep race.
No, not sleep race! Ah!
We'll save you, Ralph. Gotcha! And we'll surf down to the ground. Woohoo!
Are you okay, Ralph? He is! Oh, thank you, Rusty. Thank you, Botasaur.
Glad we could help, Liam. Rusty's glove, this is Rusty.
It's Ruby. Where are you? Are you still coming? We're building glow castles.
That sounds awesome. We're on our way. We've got to get to the beach, Liam. Want to come?
Nah, Ralph's had a rough day. Maybe another time.
Bye, Liam.
Bye.
Let's hurry, Botasaur, before we miss any more fun at the beach.
Rusty!
Hi, Ranger Anna. What's going on?
Nothing! That's the problem. The penguins aren't having any fun.
Meh.
Huh, that's weird. They're usually playing.
Exactly. And look, the monkeys aren't having fun either.
Huh?
And neither are our visitors. Oh, please, Rusty, can you help?
Looks like the beach will have to wait, buddy. Okay, Ranger Anna. We're ready for a monkey and penguin pit stop.
Oh, where were you headed?
The beach! We just made Beach Fun Botasaur 4000, complete with a beach ball cannon.
Beach balls? The penguins love those.
Perfect! Heads up, penguins! It's fun time! Okay, Botasaur, ready? Inflate and blast! One for you, and you, and you. Fun for everyone!
Look at that! The whole zoo's having fun again. And it's all thanks to you.
No problem, Anna. Gotta get to the beach. Bye! Hi, Ruby. We're still on our way. We've had to make a few stops.
Well, hurry up. We're playing volleyball.
Oh, man. Save a game for us. Don't worry, big guy. We'll be there soon. As long as no one else needs our...
Help! Rusty!
Hi, Mr. Higgins. Is there a problem?
My remote control plane is broken. It's going to crash. And I'm very fond of that plane. Can you help, Rusty? Please?
Okay, sure. Wow, I have a lot of friends in need today. After that plane, Botasaur! That way! Over there! Right! Now left! Another jump to the left! It's right above us! No, but we can't reach it!
Oh, bolts. Now I'll never get my plane back.
Unless we do a super jump. All right, big guy. 3, 2, 1, super jump! Yeah, we got it! Uh-oh.
Rusty!
I have an idea. Open your umbrella. Woohoo! Yeah!
Wow-wee! plane. Stupendous work.
Thanks, Mr. Higgins. That was actually kind of fun. Speaking of fun, Ruby's waiting for us at the beach.
Well then, off you go. And thanks.
Not again. Hold on. I'll pull you out. Wow, you're really stuck. Wait, can you still pop the surfboard out? Great, maybe I can pry you out. Nope, you're too heavy for me. I know, buddy. We'll never get to the beach now. What's that sound?
It's us, Rusty! We saw the whole thing and came to help.
I'll lend a helping Higgins.
Ralph and I will help too.
Botosaur's free! You guys did it! Wow! I can't believe you all came to help me.
Of course, Rusty. That's what friends do. They help each other.
Yep.
Aw, thanks, guys. I'm really glad we could help all of you, too. And now, Beach Fun Botosaur can finally go to the beach. And you should all come, too.
We should.
Really?
To play?
Yeah, come on, everyone. See? Isn't this great? Sorry for being late today, Ruby.
No problem, Rusty. It was worth the wait. This really is the most fun beach day ever. Surf's up!
Toppling tower. Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to Build It Brock.
Me? Really?
Yep, you get to pick up the supplies for the new tower at Building Yard Station and deliver them to Central Square Station, where you'll build it. Got it. I have a cool idea for the tower. It's gonna be super tall, so we can keep a lookout for anybody who needs rescuing.
And it has to be really loud.
Like me! And it should be really shiny, like my light and my belt. Now you're ready to make tracks! Build it, Brock, build it back! Hey, Destiny, I need supplies to build this, please. Come on, let's hook you up! Boy, this is way more parts than I planned on. I couldn't make it steady enough. It's too tall. Oh no! I need to take it down. And now I have to rebuild it. And I just had it done. Sorry we got a little carried away. That's okay. Next time, I'll speak up a lot sooner. Done and delivered.
Old Mayor Humdinger. So glad to see you pitching in to make the gold statue of Chicoletta.
How could anyone resist such a worthy cause? Which will be a gold statue of me. Wait, what's this? I picked up my pan and there it was, a diamond. And of course, since it is your claim, Uncle Otis, it's your diamond. Oh, whoopsie daisy.
This is no diamond, it's just rock candy.
Quick, pups, follow me. We need to keep them in our sights. They're getting away.
What?
Punch it, pups.
Home sweet home, kiddies. Don't forget the gold.
Ha! They forgot the gold. Rocky, unhook the wagon.
You got it, Ryder. Pincer arm.
Paw Patrol is on a roll!
Welcome to the official unveiling of the Golden Chickaletta. Thanks, Ryder.
If you ever have a problem, just yelp for help.
Rusty's dancing suit. Check out the new dance move I invented for the town dance tonight. The Rustified Robotic Running Man 3000.
Cool move, Rusty. Wait, where's that music coming from? It's coming from Mr. Higgins' alley.
Ooh. Oh, yeah.
Mr. Higgins?
Just back here cleaning up the alley, that's all.
Wow, you really dress up when you sweep.
It looked like you were dancing.
Ah, you caught me. I'm practicing for the dance tonight. I told Ranger Anna we'd dance together, but I'm a terrible dancer.
Aw, that can't be true. I bet you're a great dancer. Let's see what you got.
Okay, but don't say I didn't warn you. Ready, Anna? I was supposed to go right, not left. Oh! Ah! See, I just threw Ranger Anna into a pile of boxes.
Maybe you're just nervous.
Yeah, just relax and you'll do great.
Oh, I don't think so, kids. Maybe I just won't go out tonight. I don't want to ruin the dance by bumping into everyone. I even bought this spiffy suit. Wait, could you make me something to help me dance? Oh, you're great at making stuff.
We'd love to. Follow us to the Rivet Lab, Mr. Higgins. We'll have you dancing in no time.
I'm okay. I'm not sure about this. What am I supposed to do again?
This invention will teach you to dance. Just let the chords move you around. That way, you'll get used to the dance steps, and then you can do them on your own.
He's ready to move and groove.
Let the boogieing begin. First, let's try something simple. Okay, you try it.
I did it!
Now let's try something a bit harder.
Yeah!
Your turn.
Ooh, yeah! I've got the move! Now the moves have got me! Stop! I'm gonna pull something!
Dancing overload! Shut down the dancing! Oops.
Okay, that invention still needs a little work.
We'll figure out another way to help you.
It's no use. I'll never learn to dance by tonight. I wish I hadn't bought this expensive yet stylish suit.
Your suit! That's it! We'll turn it into a dancing suit!
Yeah, then it can do the dancing for you. Let's combine it
And design it. We'll start with Mr. Higgins' suit.
Then add a microphone to pick up the music the suit can dance to.
And finally, we'll add sensors to control Mr. Higgins' arms and legs. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Dancing Suit 1979. It picks up music and makes you dance to it.
Get ready to boogie down, Mr. H.
Can it really turn me into a dancer?
Only one way to find out. Hit it, Claw! It's working! Shake it!
Mr. Higgins!
Oh, look at me! I love this suit. Now I can go to the dance. Oh, thanks, Rusty and Ruby. Go, Higgins! Go, Higgins!
Where are those noises coming from?
What's happening?
The sensor on the microphone must be set too high.
Oh.
It picked up the construction noises. I'll stop you with my grappling hook.
Oh, thank goodness. Whoa, maybe not. Limbo! Oh, God! That was fun.
Don't worry, Mr. Higgins. I'll turn off the power switch on the back of the suit.
Whoa! Oh, no! Well, that was bad timing. I need a break. Help!
Mr. Higgins!
Wait for us!
Please stop this suit. I don't want to dance with a truck.
We're coming!
No more! No more! Make it stop! Oh, great. Seagulls. Oh, where is this suit taking me?
We can't get close enough to turn it off.
And he's dancing right out of town.
Ah!
We'll never get him back in time for the dance.
Wait, Town Square is set up for the dance. With giant, super loud speakers. We can lead him back by playing music from them. Then we'll shut off the suit.
But he's too far away to hear them. Unless... Botasaur, we need you at Town Square.
And bring the Songster speaker 8000. I turbocharge the speakers for maximum volume.
Perfect! I'll fly out, find Mr. Higgins, and blast music from them. Then Mr. Higgins will follow the music right back here.
And we'll shut off the suit. But hurry! The dance is about to begin.
Birdies! Shh. Ah! Cliff! Sit, birds! Stay, birds! Stop, birds! Help!
We'll save you, Mr. Higgins!
Rusty! I didn't even know my hips could do this. Oh.
There! I turned the suit off.
Oh, phew. Thank you. I must have done every dance there is in the world.
The sensor on the microphone was set too high, but I'm dialing it down, so it won't happen again.
Well, at least I know this suit can make me dance like a pro. Now I don't have to stay home tonight.
Wait, you want to keep wearing the suit?
You're not too tired for the dance?
Not after I finally found my groove.
All right, then let's get this party started.
Hey, you're here! Let's dance!
Showtime!
Wait, Mr. Higgins, I haven't turned the suit back on yet.
Look at me go!
Wow!
Because of you two, I can really dance now.
All right, on!
And you won't crash into any boxes.
Okay!
Actually, Mr. Higgins, your suit isn't turned on. You're dancing on your own.
What? Really? The suit isn't dancing? I am?
Yep.
I can dance after all! Yippee!
See? I knew you could dance. You just needed to relax and believe in yourself.
Yeah! All right! Everyone do the Higgins! Whoop, whoop.
Pop stars! Calling all trains! Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission! Today's mega mission goes to... Farmer Faye! Woo-wee! You get to pick up Clay-Mazing popcorn from Farm Station and deliver it to Camp Genie for movie night.
I'm raring to go!
Now you're ready to make tracks!
Popcorn ho! Ready to haul! Bring on the fresh, steaming hot popcorn!
Shake, shake! Shake, shake! Shake, shake! This is how we shake!
Phew! We made it!
But the popcorn didn't! Now I'm a super sad farm train. Wait! Farm! I know what to do! Mega compound
You could fry an egg in this heat.
or pop some corn.
Get your spices ready, Clayman!
Shake, shake! Shake, shake!
Done and delivered! Paw Patrol ready for action, riders, sir!
Thanks, pups! And Robo-Dog, Mayor Humdinger and his catastrophe crew took the Paw Patroller. Chase, I'll need you and your drone to track them down. Sky, Robo-Dog's jets are still busted. We need you and your copter to fly him to the Paw Patroller so he can drive.
Let's take to the sky!
What?
Uh-oh.
Hairballs! They found us!
It's weaving all over the road. Pull over, Chase. Sky, you and Robo-Dog catch up to the Paw Patroller.
Let's go, Robo-Dog! Yee-haw!
Hop on, Chase. Use your spice suction boots to climb on board.
Rawr! Wall climbers! Hold it steady, rider! All aboard! You! Kitten!
Yes, well, it appears as though the pups have saved the day. Yes, well, I suppose I must thank you and the pups for rescuing me.
If you really want to thank us, you should clean up the mess you made of the PAW Patrol.
Rusty, be good. Ruby, could you give me a hand?
Here you go.
Thanks. That should do it. The Parts Finder 2000 is ready for action. You name it, the finder will find it.
What part should we find first?
How about a truck wheel? Wait, too easy. Parts Finder 2000, find a truck wheel with a sparkly purple hubcap on it.
Find a truck wheel with a sparkly purple hubcap.
Whoa, it works!
Ah! Bee! Liam, that's a Sparkton bee. She won't bother you if you don't bug her first.
In fact, I think she likes you.
Aw, you are kind of cute. Let's be friends. Deal, Beatrice? Where do you live, Beatrice? Cool. You live on top of our junk pile.
Hi, neighbors.
It says here Sparkton bees like to build their hives high up, where it's safe. I'm glad you could find a safe place to live in Rusty's yard.
Find a safe.
The Parts Finder thinks you asked it to find a safe.
Find a safe. Find a safe.
And I just said it again.
Find a safe. Find a safe.
Stop!
Find a safe. Find a safe. Find a safe.
That was close. Oh, I messed up your house, Beatrice. It's okay, Liam. I don't think our hive home is broken.
But the bees don't know that. They're leaving.
They're heading toward the city. Oh, that can't be good.
Don't worry. We'll get your bee friends back. I promise.
Yeah, Rusty can fix any problem.
You guys look for a nice, new, safer place to put the hive.
Okay.
Hey!
Time to bolt.
Freeze, bees!
That's weird. Why would they want to go in a mailbox?
They're probably looking for a home.
Wait! Mr. Higgins, don't open!
Phew, that was close.
The poor Sparkton bees are so confused. They don't know where to go.
Or that they're causing lots of trouble. How can we get them to follow us back to their hive?
Here, bees, come to Ruby. Come here, bees, bees, bees. Here, bees.
It's working! Never mind. The problem is we don't sound like bees. Buzz.
What else goes bzzz? Whirly! Her propeller sounds like a bee. Whirly, we need your help. This seems like a nice, safe place for your home. Don't you think, Beatrice? Oh, no! Phew! Good save, Jack. I guess we should find another spot. All right, Whirly. We have to get the bee buzz just right, or they won't think you're a bee and follow you.
Repeat after me, Whirly. Bzz, 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 bzz.
That sounds like the bees.
Okay, Whirly, bring our bee buddies home. I don't get it. Whirly sounds just like them.
But she doesn't look like them. I guess they figured out she wasn't a real bee. We need to find another way to get the bees back to their hive, right?
Yeah, and fast.
The bees are staying by those flowers.
They must like them.
Yep, they like them because they eat their nectar. Maybe they're hungry and they would follow us if we had lots and lots of flowers.
But how can we find that many flowers?
Wait, find!
The Parts Finder 2000!
That seems like a nice, safe place for your hive. Don't you think, Beatrice? Maybe just a tad higher.
Got it, Liam! Up high was a good idea, Liam, but I think we need to put the hive somewhere no one goes, and on something that doesn't move.
Okay. And we need it there soon. We're going to have your bee friends back in no time, Beatrice.
Parts Finder 2000, find flowers.
Find flowers. Find flowers.
The bees are going to love these.
It's working! Woohoo!
Not a flower! Not a flower! I think we have enough now.
You can say that again. But why aren't the bees coming?
Maybe they can't see the flowers.
No, but they can smell them with a little help from Whirly.
Okay, Whirly, blow!
Smell those yummy flowers. That's right, bees. It's snack time.
Now let's get them back to the yard.
You're almost home, bees. Rusty, look!
Oh no, they're heading back to the city. What happened?
I don't know. Bees stop eating when they're full and go back to their hive. Only they still don't know where it is.
What kind of bee is that?
That's the queen bee, the biggest one. Where she goes, the others follow.
Okay, one super bee-normous queen bee coming up. Let's combine it.
And design it.
We'll start with the Parts Finder 2000.
Then we'll make it act like a bee with the behavior modifier chip and sound like one too.
And then we'll add wings from the Rescue-matic Power Plane 9000 so it can fly. Put it all together, and we've got our plan. Modified, customized, rustified. The Robo Queen 4000B.
Thanks, buddy. We have to get the bees out of town. They need their real home back. I'll find someplace safe for it. I promise.
Okay. Time to buzz off.
Here, bees.
Follow your new queen. It's working.
And it's a beautiful sight. Okay, if I were a bee, where would I want to live? Buzz, 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 buzz. That's it! Hey, guys! I found a spot! Yes! Bees do like to live in the hollows of trees. Great thinking, Liam!
Jack, put the beehive in the tree. We'll lure the bees to it. That's right, bees. It's your hive, sweet hive. You're welcome, Beatrice.
We're happy we could help. Yeah, and you can come visit anytime, neighbor. We did it! We got our bee friends back and found a new safe place for them to live.
Only because of all the cool stuff you knew about bees. They're pretty amazing.
Yeah, they are. Right, Liam? Liam? Buzz, buzz, buzz. I'm not Liam. I'm Bee Liam. Buzz, 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 buzz.
Donut Day! Calling all trains. Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission. Today's mega mission goes to Freight Nate. Load me up and let's roll. Your mega mission is to pick up a donut from Port Station and deliver it to Central Square Station. It's for the grand opening of the new donut shop.
That sounds easy.
Now you're ready to make tracks.